Introducing the new ECore line of power cords. ECore power cords run some of the most important systems, machines, and servers in the nation. Quality starts with our manufacturing facility. By cutting out a middleman, we ensure that our power cords are made with the utmost care from start to finish. Our ISO 9001 facility, UL, REACH, RoHS, and WE certified power cords ensure the highest standards of production. ECore power cords are made within the tightest tolerances to deliver consistent results. Our FlexiMold process provides extra strain relief without compromising cable flexibility. Our vast selection of cords with different connectors, amperage, colors, and lengths ensures that you will find exactly the right power for your job. Our high capacity manufacture means that we stock thousands of each type of cord. Whether you need to outfit your entire network or simply need a single cord, ECore power cords will exceed your expectations for performance and reliability.
All items are in stock and available for purchase online at ShowMeCables.com or over the phone at 888-519-9505. Orders placed by 5 p.m. are shipped the same day.